Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can cancel your Wix premium plan. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sites that you have on Wix. And here, if you go to the top right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile icon. And then here, you're going to find your name, your email address, and address. You're going to find the account settings. Go ahead and click on account settings. And then you're going to be taken to this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Wix account. Here in the left, as you can see, guys, you're going to find account settings, domains, business email, vouchers, filing history, premium subscriptions, payment methods, and also Wix payment account. So right now, go to premium subscriptions, and then right here, you're going to find the list that includes all of the subscriptions that you have. So this page is for viewing and managing premium subscriptions or paid services. So basically, guys, if you have any active subscription, you can cancel it very easily from here. As you can see, guys, in my case, I'm not subscribed to Wix Premium. That's why I have this message right here saying no active premium subscriptions yet. Once a subscription is purchased, you'll find it here. You can view any past invoices on the billing history page. So basically, guys, it's pretty easy. You can just go here to the premium subscription section. You're going to find your premium subscription and then click on cancel to cancel your subscription. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.